Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the Self-Studies and we are going to introduce ourselves first.
My name is Yara.
My name is Jada.
My name is Ashley.
My name is Samantha.
My name is Lawrence.
My name is Yana. My name is Yoshi.
My name is Arkin.
My name is Athena.
And we are having a spelling bee.
Number 1. Discrimination. Number 1. Discrimination. Discrimination.
Ano ba?
Wala man.
Discrimination.
Discriminate. Kanang example. Siya kay putot siya. Ya, ako taas. Example lang ha. Nagduwa sila Yana og si Ashley og Chinese. Ya maingon ko nga kanang ay pag-apil lang Chinese oy di magyapon nakabot kanang manlait ba. Discrimination. Number 2.
Very bright.
Darkness.
Dark and everything. Darkness and everything. You are the light of my darkness.
Ano ba?
Nana.
Mana hoy.
Mana in the morning.
Number 3. Lightning.
Lightning.
Lightning. Lightning. Light pa ng lightning gwapa. Lightning. Ano? Okay, number 4. Ano? Strong.
Strong.
Oh.
Kaya sa pila ko to
5. Ano ba?
Nana in the morning.
Number 5. Distraction. Distraction. Ano?
Mana in everything.
Okay. Change your paper. On, hold your paper. Ay. Mana ka din and everything.
Mana in everything.
For everything. Sige. 1, 2,
Everything.
3. Hina-hina lang. 4, 5. Sige.
Asa man dili?
Ako kasano.
Wala diri.
Turao.
Ano ba?
Yes. Asa diri in the morning.
Yan, kaya nakita ko siya and everything. Pero ay. Oh, siguro mo. Saan ba mag... Malaki ako. Okay. Number 1, ay, mana ba ka di?
Manahin.
Ayaw pang hilap po. Number 1, discrimination. D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. D-I-S-C-R-I. Maya, maghilom lagi kay para makadungog ang uban. D-I-S-C-R-I-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Na? Number 2, darkness. D-A-R-K-N-E-S-S. Napasara mo? Sige. Number 3, lightning. L-I-G-H-T-I-N-I-N-G. Na? Kapas mo ba?
Mana.
For 4 is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. S-T-R-O-N-G. Mana?
Mana.
Number 5, distraction. D-I-S-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Wow, bright lagi ni. Kinsa na. Wow ha. Ay, muli ha.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the Self-Studies.
I'm Jeannie.
I'm Kim.
I am Yena.
I'm Jaylee.
I'm Ninyaming. I'm Elna.
And we are going to math oral
And making
Assignment. 3-3.
9,
8-8.
64,
4-9.
36,
5-8.
40,
Kapoli ah. 3-9.
27,
Pakpa.
Ibiyok, 47,
28.
78,
56.
43,
12.
6, 4,
24.
5, 3.
15.
Sorry, I can bring it up.
4-2. 9-3. 9-3. Aray. 8-4. 9-6. 7-8.
X to X.
3-9. 9-4. 7-2. 7-6.
11,
9-7.
Wow, dito ka rin. Ano naman dito?
Yeah, ikaw na yan. 9-9.
What?
9-6.
9-3. 37.
9-3. 3-7.
9-3 galing 37.
6-4. 8-8.
64. 6-9.
Pautan na po ninyo ha.
6-9. 54.
Ayun sa gawin doon. Ayun sa 6 na.
3-9. 7. 6-5. 8-4. 6-8.
Dapat sa
72.
7-3.
51. 64.
3-9.
57.
4-8.
32. 3-2-1.
Bye-bye! Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are the Self-Studies. And we are going to introduce ourselves first. I'm Angel. I'm Shaira. And we are going to study. Which of the following will define symbolism? A. Moral lesson told by animals. B. Reference to another word or event. Figure of speech involving exaggeration. Concrete object representing an abstract idea. Concrete. My soul has grown deep like the rivers. What literary device is used here? A. Theme. B. Simile. C. Allusion. D. Metaphor. What type of short story uses talking animals to teach a lesson? So, it's like fable. What type of short story uses talking animals to teach a lesson? Which type of short story uses talking animals to teach a lesson? Fable. I'm Juliet to your Romeo is an example of allusion. kuan si Juliet at si Romeo kay Alyoshan. What type of short story ay mahandinay? Group 5. Which of the following best describe a vignette? Vignette. Answer. A short sketch. A short sketch. Which of the following the best describe a vignette? The short sketch focusing on a moment or detail. What type of time and literature? The lesson or message of the text. The lessons or
Annyeonghaseyo everyone, I'm Self-Studies and I introduce myself first. I'm Shane and we're going to make an assignment. Oh, sayang.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone, I am the self-study. My name is Shane and I am going to study. Wait, Ah, 3 divided by 7. 4. Softball. The name softball dates to 1926. The name was coined by Walter Hackenson of the YMCA at a meeting of the National Recreation Congress. Other names for softball are indoor baseball, kitten ball, diamond ball, mash ball, and pumpkin ball. The name softball had spread across the United States by 1930. Similar sports with different rules and name were being played all over the United States and Canada. The formation of the Joint Rules Committee on Softball in 1934 standardized the rules and name throughout the United States. The 117th meeting of the International Olympics Committee held in Singapore in July 2005 voted to drop softball and baseball Olympic sports for the 2012